Hi friends, this video shows how to change and remap this Netflix app button. By default, when I press this button, it opens Netflix app. I am going to change that. So I want to open this Apple TV app when I press this button. So I will show you how we can configure that. So first we have to go to this apps tab. Then install this app, button manager. So button mapper. So I already installed this app. You can install this app from Google Play Store. So let me open this app, button mapper. Then select add buttons. Select add buttons. It says press button to add. So here I am going to add this Netflix app button. Let me press this button. Done. This is a button 4191. Select it. Select no thanks. Then enable this option, customize. Then select single tap. Then from this drop down, set applications. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. From this list, let me select Apple TV. Done. So now I have customized this Netflix app button to open Apple TV app. So let me test. Go to home screen. So I am going to press this button. It has to open Apple TV app. See, working. So this way we can change or remap this Netflix app button. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.